Hey, what's up, y'all? You may know me. My name is Carlos Pond. I'm one of the leaders and founders of Gobi Trade House, better known as the Generational Bosses Empire Trade House. Over the weekend, took a crazy spill. I'm very big when it comes to video footage and lifestyle, all that good stuff. So I prepared over the weekend because I flew out to Tampa, and before you knew it, finally charge up my phone because you need a phone to work with a drone, right? Because I'm gonna capture all the cinematic footage, which I did capture some, but regardless of what, what ended up happening? Right when I got it turned on, I was near the pool. I flew right by the pool, and there's these strings, literally like wire, all by the pool, and I completely forgot. It's completely my mistake. So sure enough, flew it. Before you know it, I started seeing it doing flips, and I'm like, man, my drone doesn't do flips. And then I heard somebody say, "Oh, it's caught in a string," and I'm like, "Oh, damn, dang it," like dang it. And sure enough, it goes like one flip, two flip, boom, right into the water. There was no escaping it. I tried to pray real quick, just didn't get away quick enough, right into the water. It came back out the water, and boom, like by then the whole system messed up. So I'm honored to say that although there was some people around there, I completely zoned out. I went into complete tunnel vision because I was wondering, man, how's my drone gonna make it out of this one? I don't think my drone's gonna make it. And from what my fiance told me, she told me that there was some kids that were disturbed. They didn't like to see that, but of course, there was a lot of grown-ups that were clapping from the failure of my drone. You know, that goes to show you that no matter what, man, in this world, you have to go ahead and minimize and tune out all the negative people all around you. I literally didn't hear none of them. I didn't hear nobody clap. All I was thinking was my drone, right? But see, what God has for you is for you. So it doesn't matter how many people don't believe in you and how many people want to see you fail. God will upgrade your life, So based off the fact that we have Gobi Trade House partnered up with a very powerful company, and we are a financial fraternity that practices group economics, by utilizing trade signals and forex education to navigate through the financial markets, regardless of what. I upgraded. So now I have the new MAVIC Air 2. So what I want to go ahead and do is probably go ahead and open it up, and let's see what we have and unbox it together. Let's do that. We have the MAVIC Air 2, and this is the combo package. So let's go ahead and unwrap it. So let's see. All right. Obviously have these sticker things right here in the corner. I'm gonna go ahead and use my stash card. This is made out of straight metal. All right, so it's metal. I'll go ahead and I'll put my link to my stash account. So if you ever want to go ahead and invest, and you want to just start investing as a beginner, is a perfect place to start. It's made me a lot of money. So let's use that to cut this open. All right. And this is my nice little handy dandy wallet. My most favorite wallet that I've ever bought in my life. And sure enough, of course, there goes our logo, Gobi Trade House. But we're about to be a cashless society. So by being a cashless society, it means you need to go ahead and prep up and get ready to use nothing but cards and digital currency. Okay. So anyways, we'll put that down over here. Okay. And let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. This is obviously the carrying case that it comes with. So I bet everything's in there. And sure enough, we have a little panel right here. And based off this panel, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. Okay, so let's open it. All right, there's nothing in there no more. It's empty. All right, nice little carrying case. Obviously, we have the Mavic Air 2 manual and the Fly More combo, which is exactly what this is. Now we have propellers. Propellers are always good to have. You just never know when you're gonna take a spill. Okay, so these are definitely good to have. Do not underestimate your propellers. All right. My Mavic Air 1, my original MAVIC Air. I took it to over 2,500 flights, and it finally met its maker when it met the water damage. Okay, so just try to keep your drone away from water damage. It could take a couple nicks and bumps here and there. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and open this. Let's see what we have in here. So obviously this is a new carrying case. All right, you open it. Oh wow, this is gonna be something to get used to right here. You know, I'm this stuff like this just it makes me super excited. So let's open up this box, and what we have here is obviously, let's see, batteries. Okay, battery one. The old batteries for the Mavic Air 1 do not work with this one. Okay, so don't I wouldn't encourage you trying to do so. Okay, here goes another one. Nice. Oops. So obviously the power pack. Right, what is this? Soft little foam. Okay, cool. Another battery. Obviously these probably have to be charged, and that's the end of that box right there. So we don't have nothing else in that box. Okay, let's put this box right here. The handy dandy drone real quick. Oh, look at that. It's definitely almost a mini pro. So it looks just like the mini pro. So obviously I'm gonna have to put on the propellers. Okay, so propellers are gonna have to go up in a little bit. And I'm not gonna assemble it. Okay, so this video is directly just for the unboxing of the Mavic Air 2. Okay, we'll go ahead and put that right there. Let's not break it as soon as we get it, right? All right, let's see what else we have here. So this is the charging pack right here. From what I can tell from the picture of the box, is that this is where the three batteries are gonna go to charge up. Okay, so that's what that is. And let's see here, the controller. All right, let's go ahead and unbag it. I'm such an impatient bagger. Such an impatient bagger. Break it. Boom, look at that. Look at that. So if I'm correct, this goes up right here and your phone goes in here. So that's where your phone's gonna go somehow in some way. We'll figure it out in due time. From what I know, they say your little joysticks are in the bottom. Okay, but this is gonna be very enjoyable, and we're gonna make it happen, man. So I probably need a YouTube, my own my own little guide to stuff, but this is definitely, it feels different. You know, I'm so used to flipping out the handles, so this is a little bit different, but I could tell that it's gonna be very enjoyable. So let me go ahead and go to the next portion. Maybe not of this video, but of the unboxing. I don't think there's anything else to unbox, man. I think I unboxed everything, but I wanted to show you what everything looks like. Obviously, your drone's gonna go here, okay? All your battery packs and accessories are gonna go on the right-hand side. And with this, you could literally travel anywhere with this bad boy. So when I went on the plane the other day, I literally put it in my bag with all my clothes, and it fit right in. It fit right in my bag with all my additional, clothes, shoes, and I just put it right in the middle and just I sorted my clothes all around it. Especially, fly Spirit if you choose to. You just got to pay for the baggage. So that's that. So this is the way that it looks like in here. Okay, and let's go ahead and just try to put everything back. Obviously, this is gonna go this way. I'm presuming. Boom. Your drone's gonna go just as such. And battery control, go ahead and put it down as such. Obviously I got to get a little acquainted myself, but I love the Mavic Air. So let's go ahead and put this right here. All right, you see it? Now what we're gonna do is figure out how to put all these battery packs and stuff in here. So I would say put the battery packs in here. This obviously lays flat as such right there. This, I'm just gonna put it as an accessory. and boom, you have your whole travel combo package all fit in right in the bag. Let's go ahead, and I'm pretty sure these could go on the zipper in the back, but look, I could even probably put them right here, and then we're good to go. So just as such. All right, let's go. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna zip in. Hold on. Okay, I'm getting caught on that. All right, and there you go. Oh, we're set to go. This is so cute. This is nice. And for women out there that say, hey, we can't fly drones. Yes, you can. Open up your mindset. Closed mind, closed mouth does not get fed. I'm obviously super excited, and it's a privilege to show y'all the new accessory to the Go Be Trade House family, which is the MAVIC Air 2. All right, so it's official. We're gonna go ahead and let the phone charge for a little bit because I'm literally in less than like 5%. But no matter what, if you want to go ahead and get yourself a DJI Mavic Pro, okay, or you even want to go ahead and get yourself your own stash account, okay, all the links are going to be below. And if you want to go ahead and get involved with Go Be Trade House, which we're a financial fraternity that practices group economics by utilizing Forex education and trade signals sent out by professionals, you're always welcomed into Go Be Trade House. And you're more welcome to click the links below. Find me on Facebook, add me on Facebook, send me a message. And I'm very big at working with like-minded individuals where we could all make money together. All right. With that being said, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and let's get to the money.